Welcome back to Quiz Terrain. Coming your way in this video is the science quiz. Only the sharpest minds hit 40 out of 40. Will you be part of the 5%? Hit the like button, let's find out. The reason for chewing food before swallowing is to A. Exercise the jaws. B. Make digestion faster. C. Cause saliva to flow out. D. Soften the food. Answer: B. Make digestion faster. The change in the direction of light as it passes from one medium to another is called A. Reflection. B. Refraction. C. Diffraction. D. Dispersion. Answer: B. Refraction. The type of soil that holds the highest amount of water is A. Sand, B. Gravel, C. Clay, D. Loam. Answer: C. Clay. Which of the following is an indirect source of light? A. Torchlight. B. The sun. C. Fire. D. The moon. Answer: D. The moon. All the following substances are mixtures except A. Ink, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Air, D. Blood. Answer: B. Carbon dioxide. Which of the following is a physical change? A. Burning of wood. B. Rusting of iron. C. Melting of wax. D. Souring of milk. Answer: C. Melting of wax. Which of the following animals reproduces without mating? A. Toad. B. Lizard. C. Amoeba. D. Dog. Answer: C. Amoeba. By what process is heat transferred from the bottom of a beaker containing water to the top? A. Convection. B. Conduction. C. Radiation. D. Absorption. Answer: A. Convection. In what units are work and energy measured? A. Work in joules, energy in watts. B. Work in newtons, energy in joules. C. Work in joules, energy in joules. D. Energy in watts, work in watts. Answer: C. Work in joules, energy in joules. Sound travels fastest in A. Liquids. B. Gases. C. A vacuum. D. Solids. Answer: D. Solids. Which of the following is the organic part of the soil? A. Mineral salts. B. Humus. C. Rock particles. D. Water. Answer: B. Humus. Ice floats on water because A. Ice is denser than water. B. Ice has a lower temperature. C. Water is denser than ice. D. Ice has the same temperature. Answer: C. Water is denser than ice. Power is defined as the A. Ability to do work. B. Amount of energy. C. Rate of distance covered. D. Rate of doing work. Answer: D. Rate of doing work. The force which is able to hold light objects on the surface of liquids is called A. Surface tension. B. Friction. C. Capillarity. D. Viscosity. Answer: A. Surface tension. In the nucleus of an atom, there are A. Electrons and shells. B. Protons and electrons. C. Neutrons and protons. D. Neutrons and shells. Answer: C. Neutrons and protons. Which process in plants involves the loss of water vapor from leaves? A. Respiration. B. Transpiration. C. Photosynthesis. D. Germination. Answer: B. Transpiration. What is the name of the process by which a gas changes directly into a solid? A. Evaporation. B. Sublimation. C. Condensation. D. Freezing. Answer: B. Sublimation. Which of the following bodies is a satellite of the Earth? A. Venus. B. Mars. C. Moon. D. Sun. Answer: C. Moon. What is the work done when a girl lifts a pot of water weighing 40 newtons upward through a distance of 1 meter? A. 1.0 joules. B. 4.0 joules. C. 400.0 joules. D. 40.0 joules. Answer: D. 40.0 joules. The process used in getting salt from seawater is A. Evaporation. B. Boiling. C. Condensation. D. Decantation. Answer: A. Evaporation. The part of air which supports burning is A. Inert gas. B. Nitrogen. C. Water vapor. D. Oxygen. Answer: D. Oxygen. Which of the following are soil microorganisms? A. Termites. B. Bacteria. C. Ticks. D. Viruses. Answer: B. Bacteria. Which of the following animals is a mammal? A. Frog. B. Crocodile. C. Bat. D. Shark. Answer: C. Bat. What structure links the mouth with the stomach? A. Esophagus. B. Duodenum. C. Trachea. D. Ileum. Answer: A. Esophagus. Which of the following instruments is used in measuring current in an electric circuit? A. Barometer. B. Thermometer. C. Ammeter. D. Voltmeter. Answer: C. Ammeter. The green pigment found in leaves that absorbs sunlight for photosynthesis is called A. Cytoplasm. B. Chloroplast. C. Chlorophyll. D. Cellulose. Answer: C. Chlorophyll. The outer ear is also referred to as A. Cochlea. B. Pinna. C. Tympanum. D. Incus. Answer: B. Pinna. The process by which water vapor turns into liquid water is known as A. Melting. B. Freezing. C. Evaporation. D. Condensation. Answer: D. Condensation. Which of the following is likely to happen when the relative humidity is high? A. The day will be hot. B. It is likely to be dry. C. It is likely to be sunny. D. It is likely to rain. Answer: D. It is likely to rain. Which of the following features is common to both the fish and the lizard? A. Scales on the body. B. A sticky tongue. C. Dorsal fins. D. A lateral line system. Answer: A. Scales on the body. Which of the following statements about the solar system is true? A. The sun moves round the Earth. B. The sun moves in its orbit. C. The planets move round the sun. D. The planets move round the moon. Answer: C. The planets move round the sun. What type of fruit is a mango? A. Pepo. B. Drupe. C. Caryopsis. D. Berry. Answer: B. Droop. Which of the following is a renewable source of energy? A. Petroleum. B. Coal. C. Natural gas. D. Solar energy. Answer: D. Solar energy. The state of matter that has a definite volume but no definite shape is A. Liquid. B. Gas. C. Plasma. D. Solid. Answer: A. Liquid. The air pressure at great heights can be measured with A. A barometer. B. A thermometer. C. An anemometer. D. A hydrometer. Answer: A. A barometer. Which part of the flower develops into a seed after fertilization? A. Petal. B. Ovule. C. Sepal. D. Ovary. Answer: B. Ovule. Which of the following deficiency diseases is caused by a lack of vitamin C? A. Scurvy. B. Rickets. C. Kwashiorkor. D. Beriberi. Answer: A. Scurvy. Which simple machine is a seesaw an example of? A. Lever. B. Wheel and axle. C. Inclined plane. D. Pulley. Answer: A. Lever. Which phenomenon causes a rainbow to appear after rain? A. Diffraction only. B. Absorption of light. C. Reflection only. D. Refraction and dispersion of light. Answer: D. Refraction and dispersion of light. The main gas responsible for global warming is A. Carbon dioxide. B. Nitrogen. C. Hydrogen. D. Oxygen. Answer: A. Carbon dioxide. Pick your next topic, and don't forget to share your score with us. Thanks for playing along. See you in the next quiz.